What do you think it is?
Legos or something.
Oh, why don't you open it up and find out?
You know all of them are not for me.
I think all of those are for you, probably.
No, I was wrong. They're beads.
Beads?
Come here, let me see. What do you mean?
What kind of beads?
Oh, melty beads. Cool.
Look, there's a Santa on there.
Santa must have knew you liked them.
Yeah, because he's always watching.
Uh-huh.
Mike, let me see that box. There was nothing on there, was there? I guess you just keep clicking this for channels.
I'm going to open up this one.
What's that say on it?
It doesn't say anything, does it?
I didn't look at it.
Mom and Dad.
Who's it to?
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you lock it in. Well, I guess you scan and then you...
What? More beads?
Oh, whoa, we both got you melty beads.
Cool.
I wonder how that happened.
Santa got them for you and Mommy and Daddy.
Yeah.
Oh, see, we got you animals.
Yeah.
Oh, and Santa got you holiday.
Oh, yeah, we got you a lot of beads, didn't we?
Yeah. Same.
What's the numbers on there?
Look at this, Kyle. Is this more or less than that?
Less.
By like a lot, right? Because
Yeah.
there's a whole nother digit here, isn't there?
Yeah.
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 We'll have to make some. Maybe send a couple to Grammy and Pappy for their Christmas tree.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.